Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the laptop. This prevents shorts and lets you work safely. Once done, remove the battery if your model allows it, and place a microfiber cloth over the keyboard to catch loose debris. Use compressed air to dislodge dust from the bezel and hinge first. Make short bursts at 30 degrees angles. Then lightly dampen a microfiber with 70% isopropyl and blot. Do not drip, so you avoid moisture seeping into the display edges. Now you tackle the actual keyboard impression, the oil and pressure marks. Make sure your cloth is only slightly damp. Excess liquid can migrate under the bezel. Work in small sections and use gentle circular motions. This lifts oils and redistributes pressure marks without scratching. If the mark is stubborn, apply a second light pass with slightly more pressure, but pause and check frequently. Finally, follow with a clean, dry microfiber wipe to remove any film, so your screen regains even reflectivity. Finish by allowing the screen to dry fully for 10 to 15 minutes. Powering up too soon can trap moisture. Once dry, inspect at different angles under good light, because impressions often hide in reflections. If you still see haze, try a gently dampened cloth with a 1-to-1 mix of distilled water and isopropyl, then dry thoroughly. If the mark remains as a permanent indentation or delamination, stop and consult a repair technician. This likely indicates pressure damage rather than surface contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.